Hey everybody, Jen here. Another day, another unboxing. I'm really excited about this one because this is a bag I've had my eye on for months. And then it went on sale at Neiman Marcus. So I was like, I can't not do it now. So I know I've bought kind of an absurd amount of bags in the past month. And this is like my fourth black bag. So that's also a little bit ridiculous because before like last month, I think I only owned one black bag and now I have about 5. So this is getting a little bit ridiculous, and quite honestly, I'm probably going to be doing a vlog sale soon because there are quite a few bags that I haven't been using, and I feel like I've kind of over purchased over the past year or so. So I probably will be trying to offload some of my bags. I've already sold a few on Mercari. Link is in the description box if you're interested. This is my third bag from the brand Strathberry, which is becoming more and more popular. It's a mid-tier contemporary brand based out of Scotland, and it's become popular because the British royals have been seen carrying the bags. So I have the Maltese chain wallet and I have the Lana Osset. Now, when you buy it from another retailer that's not Strathberry Direct, I've noticed it doesn't come with a Strathberry box, but it does come with the dust bag, and then you get this little cards and stuff. So just an FYI, if you're not ordering it directly from them, you will not get the Strathberry box. But that's okay because the price I paid for this made it worth it. So that's cool. The dust bag is a little bit linty, so we're just gonna run this over here. Got a little bit of dust and stuff. I'm pleased at least this box came in a box within a box, so it was somewhat protected. All right, so what do we have here? It is, I believe this is called the East-West Mini Quilting Napa or something like that. This is a new version of the East-West Mini, which is one of the bags seen carried by Meghan Markle. I personally wasn't interested in the original for a few reasons. This is a softer bag and it's made out of bovine leather. I think that's just cow leather. I was really attracted to the quilting in it though. A couple other things I liked about it. With the original East-West Mini, the flap, you have to like tuck it into the signature gold bar. On this one, there was just a magnetic closure and it's less fussy. So I was like, that looks a little bit more up my alley. It's packaged really nicely. Let's check out the bag. So it has a top handle. I think this is technically removable, but not easily removable. So I don't really plan on removing the top handle strap, but I plan to kind of do it as a top carry. I think this is super cute. I'll put the dimensions up on screen. I have not seen any reviews on this bag or any photos or video of it from real customers. That's why I was really excited to do this video myself. All right, let's get some tissue paper. The other thing I like about this that the original East-West Mini does not have is this is just one compartment. The East-West Mini is 2 separate compartments, and to me that looks kind of limiting. So I like that this one just has one compartment. So I think that'll work a lot better for me. Isn't she a cutie though? So it's got a leather lined flap, and then it has sort of a, I think this is faux suede beige interior, but you see it's just one compartment, and then it has a slip pocket at the back. All right, here is the tag. This retails for I think about $695. I did not pay that, so I was really happy about that. Yeah, see, 695 bucks. So to me that seemed a little expensive for a Strathberry bag, but when it went on sale, I was like, that's a really good deal. I don't own any bags like this, and I think it's super cute. You can also attach this chain strap, and I like that this chain strap is different than my other Strathberry chain strap, and it has a leather piece on the top for comfort. So this chain strap just sort of hooks on the back like this. I'm so psyched about this bag. I think it's so unique looking, and I haven't really seen anything like it. And I also like that the branding on it is very minimal, so it's not very in your face. So you just sort of hook this to the bag like this. This is very loud. It's got swivel hooks. Okay, the quality on this seems really nice. I don't see any issues. So the handle kind of goes forward, and then you can sort of carry it like this. So I am psyched though. You can probably fit a lot of stuff in it. Let me get my phone and I'll show you kind of what goes in it. All right, I've got some stuff here to put in it. And I also ordered a really cute looking Coach card holder, but the shipping was delayed, so I don't know when it's gonna get here. That is also black, so that should match all of my new black bags. I am so in love with this bag. It looks so cool and chic. You could wear it with a casual outfit. You could definitely wear it with a dressy outfit. The leather feels very soft, but it also doesn't feel too fragile either. Like it's a good, I think, in between. The quilting though is totally bomb. I love the quilting. Let me smell the leather. This chain strap is also totally fire. I love this. The leather smells amazing. I think the quality is really nice, especially for a brand that's not outrageously expensive. All right, let me take these straps off real quick and then we'll put some stuff inside. It's just wide enough to fit a phone in here. I'm wondering, okay, if the strap is gonna get in the way. Not really. Got the iPhone 13 Pro Coach multifunction card case. This is obviously a little bit bulky, but this can fit in here too. Again, so you can sort of get an idea for the size. I can also fit a key pouch in here. Let's see here, not super well. See, this is why I wanna get a card case, because I think this is a little bit bulky here. Again, it's a small bag. This is definitely like a mini bag here. You can put a key pouch in here vertically. Also got the Chanel hand lotion. This doesn't, see now this starts to get a little bit bulky. Once you start getting stuff in it, it just starts filling up fast here. Actually, this kind of works vertical. Not really, all right, I'm having trouble getting it shut. So yeah, you kind of have to pick and choose here. But at least with this bag, you can fit keys and stuff in here. So here it is with just the card holder and my phone here. But I love how easy this bag is to open and shut. Normally, I'm not a big fan of the top flap bags. I thought this one seemed really easy to get in and out of. Just with this, I was like, all right, I'm gonna make an exception. This is super cute, so we'll go with it. But yeah, no back pockets. So this is kind of an essentials only kind of bag, but it's definitely like more of a special occasion, evening, you know, if you're just running out quick, like you're going to lunch or something like that. So not really like a daily carry, but this is a really cute bag. And I think it would elevate whatever outfit you have on. Obviously this color, this comes in a black and it comes in like a cream color. I obviously didn't go with the cream because that seemed too risky for me, but black is a little bit more carefree. The top handle is really nice quality and it's substantial, but also like comfortable, so that's good. What do you think? Is this an awesome bag or what? Another great plus is that this bag can stand up on its own. So that is awesome. Some bags, when you put them down on a table or something, they kind of fall all over the place. But this bag has a bit of a wider base than the top. I think this is kind of the best of both worlds. It's structured, so it's got some shape to it, but it also has the puffy quilting on the outside. So it kind of softens it up. And that's why I prefer this bag over the East West Mini Original, just because of those new elements. I like that it just has a magnetic closure. Now let me take this stuff out. And it's got one compartment. So I think that's a lot more flexible in terms of putting your items in and deciding where everything's gonna go and all that stuff. Here is the interior. I'm curious to see how the hardware will wear on the Strathberry. In full disclosure, the Lana Osette I have, purse feet are already starting to like kind of tarnish a bit or rust. I don't know if it's like rust or something, but that is a little bit disappointing. And I saw someone review the East West bag after like 2 or 3 years, and her hardware was kind of beat to hell and it looked quite a bit worn. So I'm curious to see how it holds up. I'm gonna try not to handle the metal bar like excessively, so hopefully that helps. It's got light gold hardware. I think this top handle strap is technically removable. It seems pretty cumbersome to do so, so I'm probably not gonna try that. Same with my Lana Osette, it has a similar top handle, and it looks like it's just kind of a pain in the butt to remove, so I'm not gonna try that. Isn't she a cutie? I am really looking forward to using her. And yeah, it's just so puffy, and yeah, I just like it. It's sort of one of those if you know brands, and I'm kind of living for that. I think this is so classic looking, but kind of understated, but very elegant. And I can just see, you know, somebody kind of walking just with a top handle bag like that. It's not super heavy either. I would definitely say this is like under a pound, but the leather quality seems really nice. Stitching, nice. Quilting, great, very puffy. Yeah, it's kind of soft. It's a little bit squishy, but I like that it's a structured bag. So again, this is the Strathberry East West Mini Quilting Napa, and I'll link a few places you can buy it down below if you want to pick it up. I do use affiliate links, just an FYI. This is not sponsored. I bought this bag with my own money because I've been looking at it for months and I thought that is such a cool bag. And I think this is one of my favorite Strathberry designs. So what do you think about this design? Let me know down below in the comments, and check out some of my other handbag videos here. I've got plenty of them. I'll see you again in the next video.